Hello guys, welcome to Nittygrittygloww. So we are today going to get this look. So this makeup looks so awesome. So let's start. So I have already done skin prep. So now I am using foundation. So I am using makeup sponge for it, or else you can use your finger also. And next we are going to take concealer. So I am concealing all the areas, dark places like dark circles, and near to lips also I am using. So just blend it properly all over your face so it should mix with your skin. After that I am going to use contour. So I am going to contour my face like this way. So this is my favorite way to do the contouring. So this is one of my favorite contouring idea. So mostly never forget your nose area and cheek. You always need to look slim. Your face contouring is a must in makeup. So now we got the cuts and all. See, you can see how it is. So nose, let me make it little thinner nose. After that I am going to use blush, so it will make your cheek and little bit side of nose. I am not going to put on nose right now, so as it is a party makeup, so I will put on my cheek and blend it. So eyebrow, I'm using eyebrow pencil, or you can go for powder pencil. Next we will take mascara, as we have to make our eyes look bigger. I am using lip tint on my eyeshadow also. Next I am using banana powder. Hey, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Oh, everything should be in place, so I am using it should look even also. And lipstick and kajal I have already done. You can check out my other video which is on the top right. So that is for my eyeliner video, and lipstick is already there in my channel. So this is my final look. Keep loving and follow me. Bye.